The MS-TestPro is an all-in-one tool providing AV integrators the ability to qualify and certify their infrastructures both pre and post installation. This short video will take you through the optional DC resistance test module. Before turning your MS-TestPro on, connect your DCR module to the looper unit using the CAT cable run you are wanting to test. Slot the DCR module into the base of your tester, ensuring the module connects securely in the tester's communication port inside. Turn your tester on and wait for the boot sequence to complete. You will then see the DCR test menu. You are now ready to qualify your CAT cable for its ability to send power over HD-Base-T or power over Ethernet to the IEEE 802.3 BT standard, or if testing your cable for use with the HD-Base-T Spec 3. The tests look at the quality of the cable with real threshold loop, parallel and pair-to-pair resistance. This can be drilled down with far more accuracy when setting the parameters in the advanced mode. The parameters of a cable's ability to pass power changed based on the amount of power being sent, the type of category in use from Cat5e to 7A, the gauge of the cable in AWG, and the type of signal being sent across the infrastructure. From the parameters selected by the user in this window, the MS-TestPro will accurately calculate the theoretical capability by specification and compare this to the actual readings the DCR module measures throughout its connected link. When testing for HD-Base-T3, we can test the cable based on the resistive properties of the cable to ensure its capability to carry the 16 gigabits per second uncompressed signal across the link. Once the test has been run, save the test into your internal memory of your MS-104B for download in PDF format at a later time. If your MS-TestPro is connected to a network, you can email the test results directly to your inbox. Your MS-TestPro can also be controlled and live information viewed directly from a tablet or desktop device connected via the remote Wi-Fi access your M-Solution product includes. Simple, efficient and effective testing for your CAT cabling from M-Solutions.